Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to change the subtitle language in your Prime Video. Now let's begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, simply log in. In case you don't know how to log in or are facing any issues, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's just say I want to play this video right here. I'm just gonna click on it. And right here, as you can see, the video is currently being played. Right now, the subtitles are in English, and I simply want to change them. Well, here's what we can do about it. Right here at the top, next to the settings icon, that's option, you will find something like subtitles and audio. Click on the button right here. Then something like this will open up. Do you note that you can change your subtitles from right here along with the audio? Right now, I'm simply gonna select Espanol along with the audio. And that's about it, guys. As you can see, the subtitle languages have been changed. And guys, that is it. That's how we change the subtitle language and simply the audio in your Prime Video. It's quite easy. Do note that there are lots of subtitles that you can choose from along with the audio file. It's completely up to you. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.